Everyone, Caleb Gamer TV here, and today we're doing the TrueMoo Coffee Milk Challenge.
Do you like it or you don't like it?
Yep, this is a like it or not challenge. So close your eyes, Elise.
What's what I'm gonna try?
Okay. Take a sip. Take a sip. Don't laugh. Don't laugh while you're drinking that. Don't laugh. Does she like it or not? She likes it. She likes it. I can't believe it. I didn't think she would like it. Do you like it? Okay, that's good to know. TrueMoo Coffee Milk.
Your turn.
No, I'm not doing that.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
It's good. It tastes like chocolate milk.
Okay, it's my turn.